Eric Peterson with Arborist here. Today's weekly business tip was written by our superstar customer service representative, Ryan Watry, and talks about how you as a tree care owner can work best with your insurance agency. Look, we get it. As a tree care owner, you're pulled in a million different directions, and having to deal with or worry about insurance is one of those directions that you probably don't want to go down. So in this article, Ryan gives you a few tips just to kind of help make that communication and conversation and experience with your insurance agency go as smooth as possible. The very first thing that he mentions is don't be afraid to ask questions. I think a lot of people feel that they should know things about insurance and don't ask us, and therefore then either have an issue with not understanding what the coverage is there for or not having the right coverage. So don't assume that anything is a stupid question. Please ask your agent for clarification if you're if you're confused about anything. His second point is, be organized when you're calling or emailing. Know exactly what you're asking, and if you have a reason to talk to your insurance agent, you're adding something, you picked up a new vehicle, or you have a new driver on the team, whatever it might be organized and be ready. From your experience that we're going to ask it. Insurance agents are going to ask a lot of questions. So if it's about adding a piece of vehicle or a vehicle, know that you're going to need the year, make, model, and VIN, a value, and a description of the vehicle. Just kind of be ready with those things. Just telling your agent that you bought a new truck isn't going to cut it. You know that they're going to come back to you with more information, asking for more information. So just get that stuff right away up front. Be open and honest. I know a lot of times people don't want to share with their insurance agent all that truly is going on, maybe in their operations or at their building or at their shop or with an employee, because they're afraid that by telling the insurance agent that they're going to have a higher rate or be canceled or non-renewed or something like that. And unfortunately, that mindset blocks the communication that needs to happen to ensure that the coverage is there. A lot of the tree care policies that you are written in this in the world today are very specific, and if you do change operations or you add other things and you don't tell your insurance agent, coverage won't be there. So you need to be open and honest and truly view your insurance agent as your business partner here. We're here to make sure that you get the protection that you deserve, that you need, that your business desires to continue on in case something bad happens. So open communication is huge. When it comes to a claim, kind of the same deal. We need a fair amount of information up front to help you through that claims process. If we don't have some information, we can't really help you out as best. So allowing us to ask more questions and dig into it can really go a long way to be your agent, be your advocate in that claim process. The other thing that's really easy nowadays with the cameras in our pocket on all of our cell phones is take a bunch of pictures, take a bunch of video, get as much documentation of the incident, of the accident scene, of the injury, whatever it might be, so that we can help you again, be that advocate for you, for the insurance company. And the very last point that Ryan mentions is being patient. I know that's hard for all of us, including myself. But sometimes when the request has been made to add a piece of equipment or a vehicle, it needs to go to the insurance company, and they need to do their underwriting and get back to the agent and therefore back to you. So things don't happen overnight in the insurance world. I wish they did. They don't. So a little understanding and being patient on your end definitely goes a long way. So those are just some simple tips on how best to work with your insurance agency. Like, as you know, Arborist specializes in tree care insurance, and knowing how the tree care industry works, the equipment that you use, it goes a long way when we're working with you, with the insurance company, to help you understand all the ins and outs of what you need from the protection standpoint. So develop that relationship with your insurance agent. Make sure that you're open and honest in your communication, and asking as many questions as you need answered to feel comfortable with what you have. If you need any other additional advice or tips or help with your insurance program, please reach out to a member of the Arborist team, and we can help your business become extraordinary.